How to reset WhatsApp two-step verification without email. If you have forgotten your WhatsApp two-step verification PIN and did not set up a recovery email, then you can reset the PIN by following this step. First of all you have to do is open any web browser on your mobile device. Here I am tapping on the Safari browser. Now in the search address bar, type down the WhatsApp support and press go. And now you can see contact WhatsApp option available there. Simply tap on it. Once inside the contact WhatsApp, you can see various options available there. But all you have to do is tap on the WhatsApp Messenger support. There you can see contact us option available in the blue highlights with underline. Tap on it and you'll be navigated to WhatsApp Messenger support. Now, once in there, you will get to see the boxes available. Now, all you have to do is fill up all the form and enter the exact problem you are facing in the description box and enter your email address. Then WhatsApp will reach out to you as soon as possible. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.